And welcome to this first video tutorial on LeadQuizzes 3 website pop-up configuration. Now in this video tutorial, I'll be taking you through a couple of topics. First of all, I'll show you how you can confirm that your embed and tracking code is properly embedded on your website and verify that the data has been reported from your tracking script. Next, I'll show you how you can select the devices where your website pop-up content will be displayed on. After that, I'll show you how you can trigger website pop-up content on all the pages on your website where you have your embed and tracking scripts embedded. Okay. Now, before you get into any of this, you need to first of all ensure that you have your embed and tracking code embedded on your website on all the pages where you want website pop-up content to be displayed. All right. Now, if you haven't done this yet, you can find step-by-step guide on how you can do this for different websites in our help center. So just go to help.leadquizzes.com and you'll see step-by-step guide on how you can achieve this. Now we have guide for different websites. We have for Wix, we have for Shopify, we have for WordPress, Squarespace, ClickFunnels, and so on. Okay. Now let's delve into this. Now the first thing you need to do is you log into your LeadQuizzes 3 account. All right, now by the left-hand side, you'll see the embed and tracking. Make sure that the icon is green. Okay, now if it's green, that means your embed and tracking code has been embedded on your website and is currently tracking. All right, or data has been reported in the past 48 hours. Okay, so make sure this is green. All right, so that's how you can confirm, one of the ways you can confirm. Now you look for the quiz in which you want to configure website pop-up. You go to the share icon, you click on that. You go to website pop-up. Now in here, you'll get to see the configuration options you have for your website pop-up. So you have the targeting options, the behavior, and likewise, you can review what you've done in the first two steps and you can either activate or deactivate your website pop-up. All right. Now, I'm also looking to the left-hand side, rather. You'll see you have your tracking code status. Now make sure this is also green. All right, now that's a second way of verifying that your embed and tracking code has been properly embedded on your website. Okay, now we move on to targeting options. Now in here, you'll see the various devices. So we have desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now you can select one, you can select two, or you can select all three of them. All right, so if you want your website pop-up to be shown to only desktop users, you select only desktop. If you want to be shown to tablet and so on. All right, so that's how you select devices where you want your website pop-up content to be displayed on. All right, next we move on to showing you how you can trigger on all pages on your website where you have your embed and tracking code installed. Okay, now you just do that by clicking on this. You save it. Then under behavior, I'll just leave it at the default. Under frequency at the default, and you save this as well. Then you go to review and activate. You can see set targeting options shows green, behavior options shows green. Now you activate your website pop-up status. All right. Now I head to my leadquizzes.blog. This is where I have my embed and tracking code embedded. All right. Now what we said was one website pop-up to show on all pages on this website. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this. And there you have it. That's the first page. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to the contact page. And there you have your website pop-up content. All right, so I'm going to close this out. I'm going to head back to the home page. And there you have it, website pop-up content. Now I'm going to go into one of the pages I have on my website. So I'm going to go to the LeadQuizzes embed page. So on this page, I should also see my website pop-up content. And there you have it. Okay. So that's basically how you can trigger website pop-up content on all the pages on your website. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can trigger website pop-up content on specific pages on your website, and likewise how you can set the scroll percentage of where you want the website pop-up content to be displayed. All right, so scroll down in the hub documentation to see the next video.